Welcome you all once again on this channel. Today we are back with another video. And in this video I am going to share with you a new VPN app that will help you get a secure connection while using the internet. This app is already available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you are new here, I recommend you to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if something is not clear so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN, which is called Dark Tunnel Pro. This VPN helps you get a fast and secure internet connection. From the results, make sure to choose the correct app by checking its name and icon. Once you find it, tap on it and then install it on your device. After installation, click on the Open button to launch it. When the app opens, you will need to do a few simple settings so it works properly and secures your connection. 1. Tap on the Update button. A pop-up will appear showing Update Resources. From the options, select Online Update. This will refresh the app's resources to give you the best service. 2. Next, choose a server for your location from the server box. Select one that works best for you. 3. After that, select your network. In the search bar, type UDP. For this tutorial, we are using UDP because it provides a stable and secure connection. If your country does not support UDP, simply select your local network name from the list. 4. If your session time runs out, you can extend it by tapping the Add Time button. 5. Finally, tap on the Start button to begin a secure connection. As you can see, the VPN connects successfully and gives you a fast, secure internet experience. That's it for today's tutorial on how to use Dark Tunnel Pro VPN. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.